Hi guys!
I'm Brenna.
And I'm Bella. And this is our YouTube
channel.
This is our introduction video just to tell you guys a little bit about ourselves and like what to expect if you want to watch our videos.
So we've been wanting to start this for over a year now, and we're just really passionate about makeup and just like the art of it, and just like, I don't know, like it just like makes us happy. Like it's just something that we like to do, and it's turned into more than a hobby. And a lot of people ask us to do their makeup for them.
Oh yeah, all the time.
And I don't know, just kind of like that built our confidence. So we just kind of thought we were ready to do this.
Yeah, we both kind of had the idea of doing a channel on our own, like starting a channel. And, you know, we were talking about it, and we both have very different ways of doing makeup. We kind of do our makeup pretty much like opposite, just the way that we go about it. And obviously we're different people, so we have different face shapes and everything. So, but we were talking about it, and, you know, because of all of that, because we do things different, we both thought that we could bring a lot more to the channel by having different views and
I think it's gonna like set us apart from a lot of the other channels, because like everyone kind of just does it on their own, but like I don't know, it'll be like fun to do it together.
Yeah.
So after we graduated high school, I got my cosmetology license because we both went to cosmetology school, and I started working at a salon, so that's where I'm at right now, and I really enjoy working there, but it's just like not what I want to do for the rest of my life. Like makeup is my passion, and like that's what I've always really wanted to do. So I was hoping that like this would help with that and stuff, but I mean, hair is just like not my favorite thing. I'm like good at it, but I'm not like the best, and I don't know, I'm more interested in like learning about makeup. So I'm hoping to go to more classes, and I really want to go to the city and take some classes there. I don't know, like I've really taught myself mostly everything, and I've learned like things from other people and watching videos, but like I've never like been to a class and like been taught. So I think it'd be fun to like learn different ways to do things.
Yeah, same goes for me. I pretty much taught myself everything that I know. But like Brenna said, we both went to school for cosmetology. I have my temporary license right now. I still have to take my state boards to get my actual license. But throughout school, I realized that I enjoy hair, but it's not my favorite thing. It's definitely not what I want to do like for the rest of my life. And the further along I did it, the more I realized that for me, makeup is like my passion, and skincare. So I'm going to be going back to school for aesthetics to be an esthetician. And I definitely would like to do more in makeup because I just have such a passion for it. It's just something that I really love. So
yeah. So I don't know, we just have like a lot of plans for our channel, and we're really excited to like start it and share everything. And we have a lot of plans for like things we want to do in the distant future, but you know, we're just like hoping this channel will like help with that. We're gonna create a joint Instagram account for this channel, so we can put like everything we do on this channel on that account and like keep you guys updated. But we also have our own beauty Instagram, so we'll link those down below also if you want to follow those too.
You can also follow our regular Instagrams as well. We'll link that down below.
Yep.
But if you aren't annoyed with us by now and you think we're kind of funny, definitely like this video and subscribe and stay tuned for more.
Yeah.
Okay? All right. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.
So, we'll see you next time.
What?
No.
Bye, guys. Everybody thinks we're funny.
I'm pretty sure they're lying to us, but
yeah, just like a few people. We just gotta start off like say hi.